All right, friends, welcome to refurbished prepping. I'm your host, Greg. Well, my 2-burner refurbished Coleman stove has arrived. Refurbished, I'm sure, by the Coleman factory, which is a fine organization. Coleman makes excellent products, excellent camping products. This is a 2-burner gas, white kerosene gas for cooking. People said, why don't you stick with the propane, which is new? Because the propane bottles, in my opinion, do not last as long as the white gas. Plus, once that propane, little green propane tank is empty, you cannot recycle it. It won't take it, you can't refill it, so it ends up in landfill along with 18 million other Coleman propane tanks. So I'm decided to go with the Coleman fuel. I saved time for the unboxing. I'm still recovering from the influenza. This does have some weight to it, so bear with me. I ask your forgiveness on the graphics and everything. I'm doing this by myself. Let's get rid of that junk. All right. Here's the side latches, which do act as pedestals. You can get this up off the ground. And if you remember from your camping days, let's see if I can try and do this. And again, I apologize for the graphics. Here's your screens. There's that. These go like this in here. And then you can see the 2 burners, the grill, and the fuel tank. So let's just pull that off of there. Looks good, clean. There's the key. You pull this out to the side. This will adjust the flow of the fuel to the both burners. You can see it's not real big. It's not meant to be real big. Here's to fill up. This comes with it to fill up this right here. And here's the fuel tank, which sits outside this, obviously. So again, goes right in through here, over the top of this. And again, I apologize for trying to do this one-handed. So, put the handle down here. I apologize for the graphics again, but have that go in there, and then that locks in the slots there. Here's your fuel flow, and then your primer. Once that's filled up, that's your plunger. Pickcock to open up the fuel flow right there. Fuel flow there, or fill it right there. And there you have it. Now it does have some weight to it, but I'll tell you what, I took one exactly like this on some fly-out hunts. They're heavy duty. We cooked many a meal on a skillet and a coffee pot, and we did very well on that. Let's give you an upper view of it. Looks like they did a very fine job on it. I'm happy with the purchase, and again, these side latches can double as getting it up off the ground, raising it up. And this will be our camp stove should the power go out and no electricity or gas flow, propane flow. We will be able to eat in case we have to bug out. This can go in your car, truck, wherever you're going, and you'll have a portable cooking outlet so you can always eat. I like this over the propane. really, and that was about it. This is refurbished. Showed you the pictures of that. Got it on eBay for $101 or $102. They go much more expensive than that. And I cannot find we're making gas anymore, so it's worth it to me, pardon me, to have the Coleman stove. They work fine, beautiful. Thank you for liking and subscribing to Erie Shores Prepping. Greg out.